Hello. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share all my videos. Don't forget to click on the notification icon so that whenever I upload my videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. So guys, I am your host, Nompumelelo Princess Du. It's always a pleasure to be gracing your screens. It is always a pleasure to be in front of your camera. Being a content creator is no fun at all, especially if you are still trying to find your niche, especially if you are putting all the hard work, you are consistent in uploading, you are consistent in dedicating your time into your channel, but at the end of the day, there is no development. At the end of the day, there is no growth. That can cause a lot of discouragement. Well, I am here to tell you that you can beat that discouragement and turn it into your motivation. It is easy to become discouraged, especially if you have no subscribers, no views, just like me. It is easy to just give up on your dream. So, guys, I am here to tell you that do not give up. Whether you have subscribers or not, do not give up. Make sure that you put all the energy in your channel. Make sure that you dedicate yourself to your channel. Do not let subscribers, do not let viewers become your motivation, because what if you wake up one day and you have lost all your subscribers and you have lost all your viewers? That means you'll no longer be creating content because you are relying on your views and subscribers. The important thing about having a YouTube channel is that it is always important to stay inspired. It is always important to keep a positive attitude at all times. Seasons are not the same. There's winter, there's summer. There's a dry season and there's a fruitful season. Thing called a dry season for a reason. There is this thing called a fruitful season for a reason. There will be a season where your viewing and your subscribers grow rapidly, and there will be a season where there is no movement upon your channel. So guys, I am here to tell you that do not give up, even if you do not see the result that you want. Do not give up on your channel. Do not give up in your dream. The important thing is to believe in yourself. The important thing is to know that you are capable of achieving anything. So guys, even if you're not getting any views, even if you're not getting any subscribers, do not give up. If you give up, you will never reach your destiny. If you give up, you will never make your dream come true. If you stop believing in yourself, you will never see growth within your midst. If you give up, your channel will never grow. Your channel will never reach that level where it is going to get monetized, where it is going to get recommended by YouTube. Even the successful YouTubers that you see today, they all started from nothing. They all started from having 0 views, 0 subscribers. So why should you give up just because you're not getting any views, just because you're not getting any subscribers on your channel? So guys, giving up is not an option. I would say that continue in investing in your channel. I would say that put in the hard work. Upload on a weekly basis or on a daily basis. Upload. I'm telling you, one day you'll wake up and you will see a miracle within your channel. Hard work pays off.